Why can't consciousness beat death? It starts with understanding what consciousness really is and how it's rooted in our biology. So, let's dive right in. Think of consciousness like the light bulb in your room. It lights up your world. But what powers it? That's your brain at work. Imagine billions of tiny sparks flying across a city map. That's similar to how neurons interact in your brain to create thoughts and feelings. Now, these neurons need fuel, right? They get it through blood, which carries oxygen and nutrients. It's like having trucks on highways delivering goods to keep the city alive. If there's a blockage and deliveries stop, parts of the city, our brain in this case, start to shut down. That's why if our heart stops, it's a major crisis for consciousness. As we get older, our brain cells slow down. It's like they're not as quick to chat with each other as they used to be. This can make our thoughts feel a bit foggy and slow down our reaction times. Aging is natural, but it definitely changes how bright our inner light bulb shines. Now, imagine if something like Alzheimer's kicks in. It's like a storm hitting our city, knocking down power lines, neural connections. Or think about a stroke. Suddenly, part of the city goes dark. These conditions can dramatically disrupt our consciousness, changing who we are in profound ways. When someone dies, it's usually because their heart and breathing stop. This means no more oxygen gets to the brain. Just like a city blackout, without power, everything goes silent. This includes our consciousness. You might have heard about the brain activity spike just after death. It's a fascinating burst, like a final goodbye flash from our neurons. But as far as science can tell, it's not a sign of ongoing consciousness, just a closing note in the symphony of life. Remember that our consciousness is a fragile, beautiful thing, tied closely to the health of our body and especially our brain. Each moment of awareness is a gift. Let's cherish it. What do you think about the journey of consciousness? Drop your thoughts in the comments.